Do you want to know how you can change the background style of subtitles in Tubi TV? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the background style in Tubi TV. So go to Account Settings and go to Subtitles and Appearances. Now go to Advanced Settings and you can see that you can change the font color and the background color. You can go ahead and click on the background color and you can turn on the background, and you can see that you can choose the background color and window color. This will change according to your wish and according to the colors available. Changing this, it can be attractive for you to watch while you are watching movies. So the option of the color are clearly shown and you can choose from them. You can even make it semi-transparent, which will make it look more apparent and attractive. So it's quite simple. You can just go to Advanced Settings and you can click on Background On, and then you can go ahead and change the background color. So go to Account Settings, go to Subtitles and Appearance, turn on the background, scroll down and go to Advanced Settings. Click on it and go to background color. You can simply go ahead and change the color and it will be changed automatically. And if you click on semi-transparent, the background color will be turned to semi-transparent. And changing the window color means changing the color beyond the background color. So this was a video on how you can change the background color in Tubi TV. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.